I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It is our first day in the new house. It has been crazy hectic. We had all the movers here all day since 8:30 this morning. We had washers and dryers and refrigerators delivered. Comcast is here right now installing our TV and internet, and T.BEASTON is unpacking the kitchen. My mom and Pop have been here taking care of Evie and hanging up TVs and putting together Batman beds and doing everything under the sun. So we are like very, very grateful for them. Tiff is recording this whole unpack the kitchen with me.
Can you just show how many boxes I already did, because it looks like I didn't do anything.
It does look like.
Go look in my room.
Oh my goodness, let's see. Wow. Yeah, that's a lot of boxes. Who's gonna break down all these boxes?
I said I would, just doing scissors.
What? This is our kitchen, and it's staying like this for a long time. It is 2 o'clock, so we've got to get Carter in an hour. The other two are at BB's house, and we're gonna make it, right? Playroom, giving me anxiety right now. Let's go check on Pop. He might be sleeping in the Batman bed. Pop.
Batman.
So cool, look at these beds. The boys are gonna lose their mind when they see these. Just hung this TV for me. So nice to have them around. It would have taken me forever. And then here's the washer dryer. Of course, there was some kind of issue. I think there's a pan that goes underneath this washer that was like too small. So we got to replace that, and it came with a big old dent. But all good. We're happy and blessed. Alright, I'd love to say that we're getting there, but we're definitely not. There's boxes everywhere. But we've got like the important things. The beds are getting put together, TVs are going up, that's important, right? We just had lunch. It's funny ordering from like a different place, like places that you don't normally order from. So I actually ended up eating gluten because I got a buffalo chicken salad and it came with like breaded buffalo chicken. I forgot to say like grilled chicken, and I'm definitely gonna feel a little crappy. I already am like so exhausted, scatterbrained, and just running on fumes, which is why I'm going to get coffee and Carter. I am really, really excited to see Carter's reaction. Like, he's been in the house. We just haven't had everything moved into the house, so he's seen it finished. But now with like everything in there, it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be challenging because, as you guys know, kids get into everything, and they're definitely gonna be getting into all the boxes and things that like we really just don't even need out right now. But it's all good. It's part of the process, and we've got a couple of days to get settled. I feel like I can finally take a little bit of a breath. So, all right, that's all. What are you all excited about? You're excited to live there now? You've been asking that for a long time. Are we gonna live in our new house today? Right? Mm-hmm. How was school?
Good.
Good. I can't wait to see how excited you are about some things in there.
Is it all of it?
It is a mess in there.
Why?
Boxes everywhere. Yeah.
Can you open it?
Not all at once. It's a lot of stuff, huh?
You got taller at school. No, you do good. I missed you. Did you have a good day?
He said he wanted to go to BB's house, and I said, we're going to the new house, you know.
Are you happy to be home?
This is the only house now.
This is your home. There's somebody in the playroom.
Hi, Carter. How are you?
That TV's not hung yet?
Not yet.
Come on.
I wanted to let
So excited.
I know. You gonna go check out your bedroom?
Because Pop put them together. Wait till you see it, please.
What do you think, dude? Pop built these for you.
Wait.
We probably should not do that. Not a good idea.
I can do that.
Alright, we've got cable and internet. Now we can live our life. Thank you so much, Pop. I'm looking for you. And big news, our first of many, many deliveries. How do you time that so well? It's impressive. What is it? What is it? What is it? I think I know what it is. It is! It's my joggers. You know what's awesome? I'm wearing these right now. I live in these things. And some leggings. Tiff, are you wearing them too right now? Look at that. See, we love our kick-ass. Alright, that's going in Ella's room. Mom did the playroom. Evie's sleeping in here, so let me be a little bit quiet.
That, like, I guess
Oh my goodness.
is like moving that black thing, and that scared the crap out of me.
Uh-oh, did I wake her up?
She probably heard Tiff's voice.
Sorry, baby girl.
Milky.
She's loving her new playroom. Tiff, show the signs.
This is not
Mom, this is perfect. Thank you, Mom.
Carter
Alright, so
jeans. I love
We
it.
ordered
Tiff
these
got-
100 years ago
yeah, what you got one for each kid, and you're thinking where are they gonna go? Like
on this wall.
on this wall here. This is not gonna look like this for long, but we needed it to get
Mom
unpacked.
got it
Mom got
so
it
much better
perfect
here.
and functional in here.
Got out of boxes.
Carter's FaceTiming Tanner and Ella and BB. He's got to take them up to show the beds.
Batman beds. Pop. My mom's Pop with this. Pop build our Batman bed.
Look who's here. What do you think?
Here, hi, Tammy.
Tanner. Who brought you here?
Shoot.
What's the matter?
Pop drive.
Oh, it's all good. Thank you for watching these two. I wanted Tanner to see his bed in person, but he's too worried about his little sister.
And his mom.
Oh, I thought it was just Evie. Go ahead, you. You remember where your room is? No, that's my room. This way. Ella, this way. You want to see the Batman beds? Okay, go ahead. Is that cool?
This is my Batman bed.
Oh, nice.
What do you think, Ella?
Mom, how did he get here? Daddy, how did he get here?
I don't know. You're a lucky girl.
Mom and Pop were here.
Alright, we are all back together as a family again, minus 2. And it's 6:30. It's basically our kids' bedtime. These bags under my eyes are real right now, but we're gonna get through all this. Tiff and I are very much the type of people that like, we need things back in place right away. And I'm trying my best just to embrace it, look around and just like feel grateful. I know you're doing the same, honey. She's just dying to get like this whole kitchen done and out of the way so that at least we can have one spot in the house where like we know where things are. It really does. She wants to order groceries tomorrow or go to a grocery store tomorrow. We're supposed to get some pretty bad weather, so I don't know if that's gonna work, but look how happy these 3 are. That's what's important. Oh wait, these 4 are. Honest mistake, Evs. Now we just gotta figure out when we can get over to the old house and get the dogs.
How do you feel about dogs for being over here?
That's good. We gotta figure, where's their dog bowls gonna go?
I don't know, because this cabinet opens up this way. I was just thinking about that.
Laundry room? No. We'll figure out a spot for them.
Tanner, Carter,
What?
I just got a message from your school.
What?
You have a snow day tomorrow.
Am I going to school tomorrow?
No, you have a snow day.
Yeah.
That's it? Oh gosh. Meanwhile, we're like, Lord help us, because we're trying to unpack an entire house with them home from school. Alright, the doggies are coming to their new house for the first time. My bet is that Rookie's gonna come take some of these toys, or Rylan will. He's teaching her his ways for sure.
Alright guys.
Welcome home, baby!
official. We're all together.
Snow day tomorrow, honey. You ready for this?
Shiny!
No. Why does Mother Nature have to be so cruel?
Right.
She's like, what is going on?
Where's Rooker? Hi, Rook. Come here, baby. What you think?
Slow down, right? And also stop for some tacos and chicken enchiladas and chicken nachos. I'm so excited.
Yum.
Let's go eat. Does this count as the first like family dinner, even though it's not home cooked?
I don't know. It's not Marry Me Chicken. They requested Marry Me Chicken and chocolate chip banana muffins.
Yeah, why weren't you whipping that up? I don't understand.
Me neither.
She's made a lot of progress in here, guys.
I feel like
It's hard to tell, but she's made a lot of progress.
Literally haven't left all day.
All I know is I'm ready to go to bed.
Same
Oh,
girl.
look how nice that looks.
Tanner, you're just eating chips and sauce today? That's not enough.
Tanner, the sauce is so spicy. That almost made
Alright.
First dinner in the new house. I did not picture it like this
Tanner,
at all.
Tanner, the
Gotta
sauce
roll
is
with the
so...
punches.
Tanner, when I
Exactly.
tried the sauce, it almost burned my butt off.
Alright, guys, let's say prayer. Tanner, come back, sweetheart.
Pudding! Not my pudding!
Hey,
Oh
ready
my-
for prayer?
My butt's
Okay,
burning.
no, you are not getting up from the table, guys. You're
Ready?
silly and you're cute, but it's time to eat dinner. Ready?
God is great. God is good.
Wait, restart. I didn't get it.
Okay.
Ready?
God is great. God is good. Thank you for our
food.
chip.
Amen.
Hey, look, I made
Chip is actually for you.
Look, I could throw my paper and do the sauce on it.
Wow.
That's how I eat it. My butt's burning.
Okay, nobody ate anything except Ella is big on guacamole and everybody, all of our kids eat salsa. How crazy is that?
I ate.
You ate. Rookie's like, I'll eat. What's up? Tanner, show me what you just did. Tanner just came walking out of the playroom. Let me see, Tam, with the umbrella. Came walking out of the playroom like this. Oh, you look like Daddy. Look at little actor. What's your name, old man? Oh boy. Tanner came.
They want to see you, not me.
So, we got a playroom, and there was Swanky Dog, and we had Batman beds upstairs, and Ella's opening the treasure chest. Right, Ella? Yeah. Because Ella told me what's inside. Baby.
Wow. That's a lot of stuff. So there's a pregnancy test. That's pretty gross. Maybe we should put that back.
Puppies, up here.
We're not letting the dogs upstairs yet because there's too much space for them to roam with too many carpets. Hi guys.
They noticed how Sprout I did. Hi, Rookers.
Rookie?
We're going to look them up after the kids are.
Yeah, when we can actually watch them. She says, where did you go? Where did you guys go? We were all in here with you and we left you to look at the doggies. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Daddy, where's the pink?
We still love you.
Where's the pink box?
Alright, we're putting Ella to bed first. Say goodnight. They are just living their best life. Alright, it is nearly 10 o'clock. They're all finally down. It was not easy. We knew it was not going to be easy tonight. But Tiff and I might catch up with you in a minute here, but we're also dying to get some rest. So we might catch up with you in the morning and let you know how the first night officially went. But it's been crazy and I wouldn't change a thing. All right guys, it is actually the start to the third day that we've been in the house. We wanted to update you a little bit about how it's going. These two are just running around our room like crazy. It's crazy to me that they can actually run around our room. You guys remember our old room was like, you could kind of barely fit us all in there, and now there's lots and lots of space. We got those two snuggling over there, and I've got Evs. So first night, let's come over and talk to them. So the first night was a little bit rough as we expected, but we managed to get everybody down. Everybody slept a little bit. Tiff and I were up like unpacking and doing stuff like that. Last night she finished unpacking the entire kitchen.
That's funny, because in my mind I'm like, oh, you know, we're minimalist. It won't take that long.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I like it. Okay?
It's amazing now. It's literally like my dream kitchen. I feel so spoiled and like so blessed to like have that. Like, I'm just so
Definitely.
grateful.
The morning this morning was so nice. Just being able to like make breakfast and stuff in the kitchen again was really nice, because there's that transition where we were like half moved out of our house, half in here, eating out a lot. We had a snowstorm in the middle of all this the day after, so yesterday.
Canceled, so
yeah.
It's been challenging to unpack with all the babies here.
But it's all good, because there's really been no rush. Not everything is exactly how we want it, and that's fine. It's gonna be that way for a little while, but it's going well, and I feel like I'm excited for the next couple of vlogs, because we'll be able to really like show you guys how everything is getting set up and just like our new
Thought about too
way of life.
is that when Evie was first born,
Hold on.
we were canceled too.
Please, come right now, okay? Okay.
She's calling the police.
Oh, I thought she said pizza. Is that
Either
pizza or
one.
Police?
Pete.
Police?
Oh no. What were you gonna say though?
Magic ball photo.
Because someone took your magic ball?
Oh no. What were you gonna say?
Oh, that like Carter's
He was in the
school was
bathroom
canceled when we first had Evs too, remember?
Right. So whenever there's a lot going on.
But it's always like nice though, because it's like slow and that's what we kind of need.
Right. No obligation to get anybody anywhere. But we're definitely loving this. Happy to have you guys with us. Don't forget, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure you check out the kitchen. Do you even know what you're calling that?
I don't.
Kitchen setup on Tiff's channel that is gonna go up, which is a couple days from now, Sunday. And you guys aren't seeing this till Monday. So we'll see you guys in the next one.